Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glass food storage containers that are available on the market for their true quality. These containers are perfect for meal prep, leftovers, and overall kitchen organization. If you're looking to invest in high-quality glass food storage, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the HOMBERKING 10-pack glass meal prep containers. This set includes 10 glass containers with a mix of 36-ounce and 14-ounce sizes, making it versatile for a variety of uses, from gym snacks to meal prepping for the week. The rectangular design is stackable, saving you precious kitchen storage space. Plus, the improved snap-lock lids with silicone seals make them completely leak-proof, so you can travel worry-free with soups and sauces. The build quality is impressive, crafted from durable borosilicate glass that can handle a wide temperature range, from -4 Fahrenheit in the freezer to 752 Fahrenheit in the oven. However, the lids aren't oven or microwave safe, so you'll need to remove them before heating. The glass is easy to clean and doesn't stain or retain odors, while the lids feature removable silicone seals for thorough cleaning. While this set is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable and functional option, it does lack some of the variety in shapes and sizes that other sets offer. Additionally, some users found the lids slightly less durable over time. Overall, the HOMBERKING containers are perfect if you need a no-frills, reliable set for everyday use. Pros: durable borosilicate glass, leak-proof lids, and wide temperature tolerance. Cons: limited size variety and lids not microwave safe. At number 4, we have the Skroam 15-pack glass food storage containers. This set stands out for its variety, offering 15 containers in 3 shapes: round, square, and rectangular, making it ideal for anyone who needs flexibility in their meal prep or storage. Sizes range from 215 milliliters to 1,480 milliliters, ensuring you have the perfect container for everything, whether it's a small snack or a full meal. The borosilicate glass construction is top-notch and designed to handle extreme temperatures, from the freezer to the oven. The snap-lock lids feature a silicone seal, providing an airtight and leak-proof barrier to keep your food fresh and your fridge odor-free. However, the lids are not oven-safe and should be hand-washed for longevity. The overall design is user-friendly, with stackable containers that help save space in your kitchen. While the Skroam set offers excellent value in terms of quantity and variety, it does weigh more than other sets, which might be a concern for those on the go. Additionally, the brand is less well-known, and customer reviews, while positive, are limited. Pros: diverse sizes and shapes, airtight and leak-proof, and durable glass. Cons: heavier than other options and less established brand reputation. Taking the third spot is the MCIRCO 30 pieces glass food storage container set. This comprehensive set includes 15 containers and 15 snap-lock lids in various shapes and sizes, from 6.3 ounces to 50.1 ounces. Whether you're storing small portions of snacks or prepping large family meals, this set has you covered. The borosilicate glass is thicker and more robust than most, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The lids feature a snap-lock mechanism with silicone seals, ensuring your food stays fresh and spill-free. The containers are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, though the lids should not be exposed to high heat. The stackable design helps save space, and the glass is easy to clean, resisting stains and odors. However, due to the variety in sizes, some users found that certain smaller containers don't get as much use. Additionally, the lids, while airtight, can feel a bit stiff initially. This set is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution for meal prep. Pros: extensive size variety, durable glass, and versatile usability. Cons: smaller sizes may be less practical, and stiff lids during the first use. In second place is the JoyJolt 24-piece borosilicate glass storage container set. At $39.95, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but doesn't compromise on quality. The set includes 12 containers in varying shapes and sizes: rectangular, square, and round, offering plenty of versatility. The borosilicate glass is durable, temperature-safe, and perfect for meal prep or leftovers. The airtight lids feature removable silicone seals and hinge clicks to ensure a leak-proof design. Whether you're storing soup or solid food, you won't have to worry about spills or odors. The containers are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, though the lids require hand washing. The thoughtful design makes these containers easy to stack and store, helping you keep your kitchen organized. While this set is an excellent value, the lids are slightly less durable than premium options, and some users report that the clips can loosen over time. That said, this is a fantastic choice for anyone on a budget who still wants high-quality glass storage. Pros: affordable, versatile sizes, and durable glass. Cons: lids require hand washing and may loosen over time. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Pyrex Simply Store 12-pack glass food storage container set. Pyrex is a trusted name in kitchenware, and this set lives up to the brand's reputation. With 12 containers in multiple sizes and shapes, round and rectangular, you'll find these perfect for meal prepping, leftovers, and even serving. The high-quality tempered glass resists stains and odors, making cleanup a breeze. The BPA-free plastic lids fit snugly, creating a leak-resistant seal that keeps food fresh. These containers are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, though the lids should only be placed on the top rack of the dishwasher. The vibrant lid colors also add a fun touch to your storage. While the Pyrex set is slightly more expensive than budget options, the durability, performance, and trusted brand name make it worth the investment. It's ideal for anyone looking for a long-lasting set that's versatile enough for everyday use. Pros: trusted brand, durable tempered glass, and versatile sizes. Cons: slightly higher price and lids not oven safe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful in choosing the best glass food storage containers for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.